Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Stirahima Muhammad Kusnan. Would like to share my input from my recent industrial training with Malaysia Airlines. My most recent position is as a senior executive human resource business driver at Malaysia Airlines Berhad, where I manage all aspects of HR for a staff of 12,000 employees. Currently, I work in human capital, culture and governance, assisting senior manager levels involving various divisions and internal stakeholders. I am responsible for developing and implementing HR policies and procedures, managing employee relations issues, and providing guidance to managers on how to handle difficult situations with their employees. I have worked in MAB Human Resource for over 7 years since Newco, and I have extensive experience in all aspects of HR, including recruitment, employee relations, training and development. I also work with a company since OCO for 17 years service in various fields at Malaysia Airlines System Berhad, MAS. A brief introduction about company's background. As we all know that Malaysia Airlines, the national airline, is a part of the One World Alliance. Following the dissolution of Malaysia Airlines System Berhad from Bursa Malaysia in 2014 and the consequent termination of operations on August 31st, the business Malaysia Airlines Berhad MAB began operations as the country airlines on September 1st, 2015. From the report that I have submitted, I have stated that the two strengths that I have explained, which are brand recognition and partnership collaborations. As we already know that Malaysia Airlines Berhad has a well-known brand and its own character and has a strong partnership with One World Alliance. With this strength, Malaysia Airlines will be able to run their business with great financial flexibility. Meanwhile, for its weakness, it's more about managing costs and their customer services experience. Malaysia Airlines has been struggling with many financial crash over the past few years, and currently they are implementing cost control to allow the business to maintain larger cash reserve or take high risks to make larger investment in other areas such as expenses, capital or debt repayment. In addition, the airlines is also facing difficulties in dealing with the surge of customer inquiries it received. This is due to high attrition rates and increased passenger traffic that cannot cope with the current high customer demands. However, the airline continues to prioritize, and to this day, the airline staff work proactively to ensure that passengers suffer as little as possible. For its opportunities, Malaysia Airlines is also conducting a route rationalization exercise as part of its ongoing business evaluation by taking a strategy of expanding routes and at the same time looking for opportunities to manage them in low-cost initiatives. The airline sees the opportunity to explore new markets that will develop trade and commerce while fostering the country's economic progress, and it will remain steadfast in its long-term goal of increasing growth in all business divisions to be more market and for its threats, airlines experience intense competitions and currency fluctuations. To overcome this situation, the airline is adopting digital transformation as part of cost reduction efforts in preparation for the future. Despite the challenge of competing with new technologies to provide passengers with a better travel experience. Next is the PESTEL study conducted on Malaysia Airlines by Malaysia Aviation Group, which is used in the Strategic Environmental Scan Section Management. It is a tactical instrument to assess market expansion or contraction, company position potential, and operational direction. Malaysia Airlines is one of the stakeholders for Khazanah Nasional Berhad, and it is a sovereign wealth fund controlled by the Malaysian government. This is one of the factors that has a strong political influence because it is closely related to the government. Currency exchange rate variation are a major challenge for the company. A lower ringgit will negatively affect the group financial performance. Due to this, MEG will keep evaluating the options for strategic partnership with its various businesses to maintain business continuity. Furthermore, Malaysia Airlines is also committed to helping and inspire women actively engage in achieving their professional and business goals for cultivating a culture that supports inclusion, diversity, and equality in terms of gender, race, religion, and age as a major factor in fostering socio-economic growth. Another fact, participating in new technology, Malaysia Airlines also believes that by further improving and automating the airline's operations with new technology, it will help to increase employee productivity by automating situational awareness and decision making. In addition, Malaysia Airlines also focus on their initiatives to reduce emission from ground operation as it is intend to reduce carbon costs by considering the economic balance in the technical position in line with the goals of their action plan. Finally, Malaysia Airlines to constantly invest in advanced technology and services to meet the requirements of legal authorities to harmonize the global needs of airlines as well as provide a better travel experience to their value customer. Referring to SWOT analysis that was briefed earlier, here are the results by observing the important facts in Malaysia Airlines. Accelerating economy recovery. One of the initiatives is that Malaysia Airlines and its subsidiaries have partnered to leverage each other's strength and strong presence as catalysts to revive the country economy in various industries including aviation, real estate, education, medical tourism, and hospitality. Improvement managing customer queries. Malaysia Airlines Human Resource Planning team has increased the number of agents working in its contact center for customer support, more than doubling that number. The airline is continually working to improve that staff to handle the rising volume of calls it's received. Opportunity for reskilling and upskilling. Malaysia Airlines has initiated the upskilling and reskilling initiative for workers to help them develop a personal competitive edge and become more adaptable to support operational sustainability. Adapting to a new work culture, Malaysia Airlines employees need to be flexible and adaptable as the company adopts new work culture and use technology well. With this, it will increase corporate productivity and sustainability. Furthermore, the conceptually innovative approach is able to attract, retain, and attract interest in Malaysia Airlines business model. Embrace digital transformations. Malaysia Airlines Human Resource Digital Transformation Team organized the first internal digital conference to show employees how automation and digitizations can improve the effectiveness and standards of its products and the opportunity to fully engage employees in the digital world. And lastly, employment management. practicing hybrid and flexible work environments, investing in training, and promoting social objectives such as diversity and inclusion will be part of this rather than just focusing on compensation package. Finally, after completing my practical training, I found myself more aware in terms of work ethics, work requirements, tasks, and prospects directly in my real work situations, and it naturally built my confidence and prepared to accept more challenges hereafter. I would say that my internship at Malaysia Airlines in the Human Resource Department was successful because I was able to put what I had learned both learning theoretically and practically to use to be effective and productive in achieving the company's goal and eventually become a skilled HR practitioner for the company's advantage. Thank you.